Alright, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to be unboxing this really cool, awesome, high definition, night vision, ultra HD 4K video camera. I got this not too long ago on Amazon. Comes with the instruction manual. Really nice, cool, awesome remote control. Your USB cable. Your memory card that is 32 gigabytes of memory right there. Awesome, awesome. Let's see. An extra battery. I believe the battery, the other battery is in the camera itself right now. So that's awesome. And here is the main camera itself, right there. Go ahead and take it out of this bag right here. And here is the camera right here. Really nice, awesome camera. DVC, digital video camera, right there. Here is your record button. You got your mic, your HD, and your USB ports right there. Awesome, awesome, awesome. You got your picture button and your zoom button right here. Go ahead and take the lens cap off real quickly. Camera comes with a built-in light. That is cool. Really, really awesome. Your up and down buttons, your mode button, and your menu button. You got a speaker right here. And the picture quality in this camera is very, very cool. Really awesome, clear, sharp quality. Really, really, really good. Now, this is not a touchscreen, but to get to the menu, all you got to do is go to the menu button right here, click on that, and you got your menu settings. Now with the up and down buttons here, you can navigate going down and switching to whatever setting that you would like in this camera or for this camera. And to get out of this, you just hit the menu button again, and it goes right back to the screen. Now here again is the 32 gigabyte card. You just simply, to insert, let me put this lens cap back on. To insert the SD card, you just go to the back or to the bottom of the camera and just simply slip it in, just like that, and just click it closed, just like so. Testing out the camera right now, filming currently in 1080p. But filming in 1080p or even in 4K resolution, 4K being better than 1080p, the picture is clear, sharp, and great. The audio, however, coming from the built-in microphone in this camera isn't exactly the best, but if you got some really good audio editing software or a microphone that just records your audio, you can get around that very, very easy and simple. But don't let the audio deter you from getting this camera. This camera is absolutely top notch. Again, the picture video resolution quality is outstanding. You cannot beat it. This is a really good camera for anybody to use. Okay, that wraps up today's video. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a thumbs up, leave a comment, and if you have not done so, please subscribe to this channel for more. If you have a camera in mind that you would like for me to review, please let me know in the comments. And you never know, one of these days, I might just review it. Until next time, have a good one.